Hold on. To be frank, stop. Just for a second. Before you click that button that says create channel and before you upload your first video, welcome to my channel, Grow With You. I am a beginner just like you. I don't have a fancy studio, I don't have a big team, but I discovered the secret map for this year. If you follow it, you can grow. If you don't, you might spend the next year talking to an empty room. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start, right? From your heart to the algorithm. Let me tell you a secret. 3 months ago, I was so scared. I sat in front of my phone for hours. I wanted to tell my story, but I thought who would care? I'm not famous, I'm just a beginner. But it's a lonely feeling, isn't it? Wanting to start something big, but feeling too small. I uploaded my first video and refreshed the page 50 good times, but zero views. It feels like the world was telling me to be quiet. But I learned that YouTube isn't a popularity contest. It is a community. I realized that my smallness was actually my superpower. Because I'm a beginner, I can talk to you like a friend, right? Pillar number one, you need to pick your pizza shop. Most beginners try to talk about everything: cooking today, gaming tomorrow, and all that. Different niches. That is the fastest way to fail. I'm not kidding. I'm telling you the truth. Imagine you are hungry for pizza. Do you go to a store that sells pizza, car ties, and shoes? No. You go to the pizza shop. Your channel needs to be the pizza shop for your viewers. Let's check out this tutorial. You go to YouTube, then you type how to, and then your hobby continues. If you see videos from this year with many views, you found your pizza shop, so you're gonna jump on it. Yeah. Now let's go to pillar number two. We call it handshake. Your title and thumbnails. This is how you introduce yourself to the algorithm. So that is the handshake. If your thumbnail is dark and messy, it's like a weak, cold handshake. No one likes that. For this year, use bright colors. Yellow or red are great. Use only 3 words of text. Your SEO tips for your title. Use Google Trends. Type in your topic. See what words people use. Use those exact words in your title. That is how the YouTube computer finds your video. Okay, let's look at pillar number three. We call it the hold. Now they click, but they won't stay. You have to use the hold to hold them. Yes, an open loop is a promise. Like at the start of this video, I told you I will show you a secret map. You stayed because you wanted the map. Yes. So let's look at these tutorial steps. Every 10 seconds, change what the viewers see. Show a new picture. Add a text pop-up or change the music. If the screen doesn't change, the brain goes to sleep. Keep them awake. Yes. So let's summarize. You find your pizza shop, that will be your niche. You give a strong handshake, which is the thumbnail or the SEO. Then you use the hold to keep them watching. But here is the biggest secret. Your first 10 videos will be bad. And that is okay. I am a beginner just like you, and my videos aren't perfect yet either. But we are all growing together. I want to help you. go to the comment section right now and type I am starting today and tell me what your channel is about. I will try to reply to everyone. Please like this video if it gave you hope. Share it with one friend who is also scared to start, and subscribe to our beginner family so we can grow together. 1,000 subscribers together. Yeah. Now you have the map, right? But do you have the gear? Watch the next video. Yes. I will see you there.